Hi, welcome to part 67. We will look at more questions today. So this will help you with various certifications: Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud. So you have AWS RDS database. This is a relational database in AWS. There are a lot of reads happening and it is getting slowed. You are supposed to solve it without maximum changes. So what will you do? First is DynamoDB. If you use DynamoDB, it will be maximum change because you are moving from a SQL based to a NoSQL based. DynamoDB is NoSQL based. Uber like applications use it. It is database on Vigra, very fast, high performance. But the changes will be maximum, so we cannot choose this. Option B, it tells you to use Elasticache. It comes in two formats, Memcache, Redis. This will also not work here because you're supposed to make minimal changes to the existing web application. Here the web application will get changed because cache is between the web application and the database. Option D says that we will move to RDS Redshift, but Redshift is used for data warehouse and not database. Here we are not looking for a data warehouse solution, so this is wrong. The right answer is we will create a read replica, and so for example you have this database, we will create a read replica here, route all the read queries here so that this guy is not affected and your website is fast. I hope you understood the concept. Let's look at the next question. This is a question where the data needs to be encrypted both at rest and transit. The moment it comes into S3, before it comes into S3, the data should be encrypted. So what happens? You cannot be doing a server-side encryption because after you load, then the encryption happens. Again, here it is saying that server-side encryption, we cannot use this. And option D. So option D is totally wrong because this is not the way it happens. We use KMS, but then the encryption is not driven by KMS here in this case. The retrieval is driven by KMS. So this is wrong. Option A is the right answer in this case because we will do a client-side encryption because before entering S3 bucket, it should be already encrypted and it should be also encrypted in transit. That means before it hits S3, it is already encrypted. See, this is the next question. Every day at 1 a.m., the load increases drastically. So what option you should choose here? So option A is saying that increase the minimum capacity of the auto scaling group. This will not help. We have to use a scheduling solution at night 1 a.m. Schedule it. Schedule the scaling because we want a cost effective solution. Cost effective means at night 1 a.m. I'll add more resources. If I use A and B, I will be adding more resources even before 1 a.m., which is not good. And option D is saying the scaling policy, you change it to add more EC2 instances scaling operations. There is no need to change this policy because auto scaling works automatically. So this is not a auto scaling kind of requirement. You have to schedule it because only during that time you get the maximum compute. Option C is the right answer where we will schedule the scaling to scale up to the desired compute level at around 1 a.m. I hope you have already subscribed. See you in the next part. Become a Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja member. Gain access to all of the paid content, which is very important for certification.